Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Kohl's charge card balance, full guide step by step. To verify your Kohl's charge card balance, start by gathering your credit card information. Locate your Kohl's charge card, ensuring you have the card number and any relevant personal information. Open a web browser on your device and navigate to the Kohl's official website. Once on the home page, look for the Sign In button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed to the login page. Enter your registered email address and password associated with your Kohl's account. If you haven't registered yet, look for the option to create an account and follow the prompts to set it up. After signing in, navigate to the credit card section of your account dashboard. Here, you will find the information related to your Kohl's charge card. Look for the balance displayed on the screen. If you prefer to check your balance via mobile, open the Kohl's app on your smartphone. Log in using the same credentials as you would on the website. Once logged in, tap on the credit card section to view your balance. You can also verify your balance by calling the customer service number on the back of your card. Be ready to provide your card number and any requested personal details for verification. After authentication, the representative will provide you with your current balance. Always ensure your card is stored securely to protect your personal information. That's it. You now know how to verify your Kohl's charge card balance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.